Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6 crashing at a startup, not launching or won't launch, freezing, not loading or stuck on loading screen or black screen problem on Xbox. So here follow the fixes. First fix is to make sure your Xbox is up to date. Press Xbox guide button, click on settings in profile and system section, click on system. Click on updates and make sure it is up to date. If it is not, then update it. Fix 2 is to clear Battlefield 6 cache file. Press Xbox guide button, click on my games and apps and then click on see all. Look for Battlefield 6 game and highlight it, then press menu and select manage game and add-ons. Click on save data reserve space, then click on clear reserve space. You will see that profile is deleted automatically. If not, then delete profile and make sure you click delete from console while deleting. Fix 3 is to clear persistent storage. Press Xbox guide button, click on settings in profile and system section, go to devices and connections, Blu-ray, click on persistent storage and then click clear persistent storage. Fix 4 is to clear alternate MAC address. Press Xbox guide button, click on settings in profile and system section, go to general, network setting, navigate to advanced settings, alternate MAC address and then click on clear and then restart your console. Now launch Battlefield 6 and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 5 is to remove and re-add account. Press the Xbox button to open the guide, click on settings in profile and system section, go to account, remove accounts. Now select the account in which you are having the issue and then select remove. Now add your account. After adding your account, launch Battlefield 6 and see if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to run the Battlefield 6 from the store instead of running the game from the Xbox home. So to do this, type Battlefield 6 in search bar and click on it, then click on launch game. I hope this helps. 7th solution is to switch network connection. If we are using a wireless connection, then try using an Ethernet cable to access internet and check. If we are using Wi-Fi, then try connecting to mobile hotspot, and if possible, then try to connect to different Wi-Fi network or mobile hotspot and then check. 8th solution is to manually select port. So press the Xbox button to open the guide, click on settings in profile and system section. In general tab, select network settings, test network connection, advanced settings. Select alternate port selection, then click on manual, click on select port and choose a port that starts with 4 or 5, then continue. Then restart your console and check if the problem is fixed or not. If not, then select the port one by one and check which port is working for you. Fix 9 is to change DNS server. Go to your Xbox settings. In the general tab, select network settings, advanced settings, go to DNS settings, manual. Now in a primary DNS type 8888 and in secondary DNS type 8844. Now launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then in primary DNS type 1111 and in secondary DNS type 1001 and then relaunch the game again and check. 8th solution is to make sure your game is up to date. So go to my apps and games, find Battlefield 6. On the game tile, press the menu button and select manage game and add-ons and then select check for updates. If there are any updates available, then download and install them. Fix 9 is to restart your Xbox to fix overheating and ventilation issues. So make sure your Xbox console is not overheating, as well as check that your Xbox is placed somewhere where there is good ventilation. To fix this issue, just restart your console. Press and hold the Xbox button on your console for 10 seconds. Now wait for and let the Xbox to cool down before turning it on again. Now you can launch Battlefield 6 and see if problem is solved or not. Fix 10 is to check storage space. Make sure your Xbox console has enough storage space. If there is low space available, then your game may experience issues like stuttering, crashing, freezing and lagging. Hence delete some not in used games or saved game files and then you can check. And the last solution is to reinstall Battlefield 6. If nothing seems to work, then the last solution is to uninstall Battlefield 6 from Xbox, then fresh reinstall it and then launch the game and check if it fixes your issue or not. So by this way you can fix the Battlefield 6 crashing issue, or not launching, won't launch, freezing, not loading, stuck on, loading screen or black screen issue on Xbox. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.